Alright guys, welcome back. Know that the alpha in this figure is 40 degrees and we need to determine the result of the three forces as shown. So let's consider our x and y like this, and let's find our x and y component of each of these forces. I'm going to start with the 60 pound force, and for fx of this force we will have 60 times cosine of 20 degrees, and it will be positive. This will be our x component, which will be 56.382 pounds. And if we want to find the fy, we'll have 60 times sine of 20 degrees, and that would give us 20.521. So that was the first force that we have. Let's move on to the 80 pound force. So for fx of 80 pound, we'll have 80 pound times cosine of alpha, which is 40 plus 20. So this will be 20 degrees as well. So our degree for x will be 40 plus 20 degrees, which will be 40 pounds. And for fy of this force, we'll have again same angle, 40 plus 20, and that would give us 69.282 pounds. And there is one more force left, and that would be the 120 pound force. That's what we have for fx and fy. So same thing. Again, what we have in here, we have to figure this angle. We know the alpha is 40, and this will be a right angle, which means this angle in here will be 50 degrees, and we have 40 degrees in here. And then if we want to find this angle, we simply have 180 minus the rest of these angles that we have in here, and that would be minus the sum of 40 plus 50, which is 90, plus 40 plus 20. So we'll have 90 plus 60, which is 150, and this angle here will be 30 degrees. And now that we have this angle, we can find our fx and fy. So fx is 120 cosine of 30 degrees, and this will be 103 pounds. And if you want to find fy, we'll have a negative amount since we are in the opposite direction of y. So sine of again 30 degrees, and this will be minus 60 pounds. So now that we have all the fx and fy, we can find the resultant. Simply our resultant will be sum of all fx's that we found in here, and if we do that, we'll find our rx 200.305 pound in our direction, and our ry will be the sum of all the y component that we have, which was 20.5 plus 69.2 minus 60, and if we do that, we'll get 29.803 pound. And if you want to find the magnitude of r, we simply have the square root of rx squared plus ry squared, which is what we found in here. And for finding the angle, so what we got for rx is what we have in here, and this would be our ry, which is 29.803, and rx would be 200.31. And if we want to find this angle, let's call it alpha. We know the tangent of alpha will be ry over rx, and our alpha will be tangent reversive 29.803 divided by 200.31, and this would give us 8.46. And if we want to show the final answer, we'll have